Do you know that this background you're seeing is fake? Are you a new content creator and you're wondering how to start content creating because you don't have a good background? Worry no more. I'm here for you. I'm here to give you the detailed guide on how to create a fake background for your videos, right? Or are you a new YouTuber thinking of how to go about buying wallpapers and the rest for your content creation? Worry no more because your guy is here to make it very easy for you to simplify the whole process. I'm going to give you the detailed breakdown on how to create a fake realistic background for your videos. Or are you planning to go into new casting and you need background like in front of National Assembly or White House or Red Chambers or government house, something like that. Anything, worry no more. I'm here for you. And again, make sure that you stick to the end because the secrets I'm going to reveal to you is mind blowing and you cannot find it anywhere. Now, and again, if you want to get a matching and suitable fake background for your video, make sure that the color of your clothes should not be the same with your background, the background you want to use. So I'm using just two AI softwares for creating fake realistic background. So make sure you stick to the end because you're going to learn a lot from me today. Now, let's head over to Leonardo AI. I've opened it on my Google Chrome already because the network is really frustrating my tutorials for today. So this is the interface of Leonardo AI. This is how Leonardo AI looks like. So now we're gonna navigate to image creation, right? It's a stunning image that are going viral now. They actually do everything. Create. It's a very reliable AI image generator. Reason why I prefer Leonardo is that it will give you the exact YouTube measurement for your photos. The YouTube measurement is 16 by 9. So if you save a background images from Pixel or Pinterest or FreePix, it will not give you the perfect results because they are just there. But here you describe in your prompt to create image, you describe what you want and Leonardo here will give you exactly what you want it to give you. So let's go to image creation and insert our prompt. Yes, let's this is here we are. This is the prompt. I've inserted these are prompts. A well decorated living room, or let's put it this way. Let's put it, I need a living room. I need a this network is so slow. I need a living room. I need a living room. What is this now? Need a living room well decorated. Well decorated, right? So now we are coming here to choose a style, fine tune model. You can choose anything under this place. You can choose you can choose anything you want. You can choose anything at all. Let's choose Leonardo Lightning. So here we're going to choose cinematic. I believe you are all watching me carefully. Then here these are the ones I have downloaded before. Wow, this is amazing. This is beautiful. So now we're going to click on these settings. We're going to click on these settings. These settings will give us the measurement, YouTube measurement to go with. Let's click and select YouTube measurement for our picture. Now here, if you choose this one, if you choose two, Leonardo AI is going to generate just 2 images for you. You can choose 4. You can choose the maximum you can choose is 8 for a prompt. It will generate up to 8 for a prompt. So here you're going to choose the measurement. Here is the measurement. The standard measurement for YouTube is 16 by 9. Look at it here. You're going for 16 by 9. See, it's not moving fast. So that's just you just go play with this website so that you can better do it on your own. I don't want this video to, but it's very simple and straightforward. So we are going back to, we have set everything. So we are going back to, now we can click generate. Let's see the magic Leonardo AI will do for us. It's very easy to use it. You don't need to bother about getting a good background in your house or in your workspace for content creation. You can use any background, and when you are done, you can fake it. Generate one and keep for yourself the one you'll be using for all your YouTube videos. It's as simple as that. Fake it. Image is generating. Meanwhile, let me save the ones I've generated before. Yeah, super amazing. Super amazing. This is beautiful. Wow. Here comes Leonardo fake background generated. Look at this. Now we are going to save it. Click on this eye symbol. Click here to save it. On your phone it might show a different icon, but just navigate it and then you know where to locate it. Wow, this is amazing. So now we're heading over to InShot, where I prefer using InShot for background faking because the features I will need on CapCut are all pro, and I don't have pro version of CapCut. So we're heading straight to InShot now to create our video. This is the InShot app. This is marvelous. This is beautiful. So it's as easy as that. I don't want this video to be too long. Wow. It's still going. So this is it. Enjoy using it, share, yes. No thanks. So now let's move fast. I don't want this video to be up to 10 minutes. This is our InShot app. I was actually doing some work. So then let me discard this and start again. So this is the interface of InShot AI video generator. So we are clicking on a video. So first of all, we're going to select the background that we want to use for our video, and make sure your background the colors does not match with the outfit you're putting on, right? So let's go. Yes. So I want to add more than one background for the sake of this tutorial. Click on this plus sign again. Click on video / Wow, this is super amazing. Oh wow, I love what I'm seeing. With this, I believe you can now create a super amazing content with a fake AI generated background. Wow, this is amazing. I want to add up to, I need plenty background for this video. This is super amazing. Yes, this is what I want. I need more. I need more. Wow. Wow, this is beautiful. 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 Let's select all our backgrounds and then we move. Wow. This is good. Wow. If you don't use Leonardo AI, you will not get this exact YouTube size. It will give you something horizontal or anything. But with this one, you can, wow, this is amazing. Super good. Let me add one more and then we'll continue. Wow, I love this. This is cool. Now we are going to drag it to the end of our video, right? Our video is up to 1 minute 37 seconds. Yes, 38 seconds. Let me stop here. Now we are going to import our video from our gallery to suit our, which one am I going to, where is the video? Yes, this is the video I want to use. This is the video I want to use. Now let's move. Sorry. I was carried away. So right now we are going to click on this PIP to import your video to suit. In order for your video to suit this background, you have to use PIP and import your video, right? So let's move. This is it. Can you see it? You can zoom out, you can zoom in, you can do anyhow you want to do it. So now let's crop our video to suit our background. Now let's come here quickly and click on cut out, right? Cut out so that it will cut out our, this is cute. This is super amazing. This is too real to believe that it's a fake background. Our original background have been removed. Now we are left with the fake realistic background. Isn't this beautiful? Please, if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tips. Wow, this is beautiful. It's loading. Our cutout is loading. It's loading. Let's allow it some time so that it will load. This is beautiful. So once it's 100%, I'm going to move. You click here, and move, and then you download your video. Hey, this is super cool. Wow, yeah, almost there. It's done. Completed. So now you reduce the size so that it will fit well. Now looking at it, it looks as if I'm sitting in my living room backing the chairs and other furnitures, right? This is good. This is too real to be fake. This is too real to be fake. So you adjust it, just play with it, and then we move. Wow, this is cool. This is super good. This is cool. What is happening? This is what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Does it mean our video disappeared? Let's do it again. Click on PIP and import our video again. The network is too bad. It's happening, Joe. This is a simple process that you can do within just 5 minutes. Can you see what I'm saying? This is super, super,
Do you know that this
cool.
background you're seeing is fake?
Wow.
Are you a new content creator and you're wondering how to start content creating because you don't have a good
Bam, yeah, there. This is how simple it is to create a fake background. So now look at this. Take a look at this watermark. This watermark here. For you to, if you download your InShot video, if you create it and you're seeing this InShot watermark, it's very easy to do it. Once you click on it, and then you have two options, either to upgrade to pro version or to watch ad. So when you watch the ad for some few seconds, I think 1 second, then the app will automatically wipe away this InShot watermark here. So this app is super cool and is best for the fake background creation. So now let's go ahead and import our video. So let's watch the app. Free remove. Click on free remove and then the app will remove the watermark, and then you export your video, and then you are ready to blow on YouTube, right? As simple as this. Now you are ready to transform your video backgrounds like a pro. Let me know in the comment section which topic should I create content on, or which topic should I create a tutorial on to help you build and grow your YouTube channel. And don't forget to like my video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for quick tips. See you in my next video. Bye.